Okay, we're in the section 2 of the notes, a basic diagnostic review. When you're finished with this section over here, you should take a look through it. Your teachers may not be covering this section. Now, for the students that have access to Webassign, I'm not sure how long this is going to last at Essex, but we've sort of adopted Webassign. There's some preliminary Webassigns that you might want to look at, and that's getting started with Webassign, how to remember what you learned, and how to improve your math test-taking skills. All right, so I'm going to say this is basically a section on past material. There's a tremendous amount of overlap in our courses at Essex, at least in the mathematics department. For example, you're in the Math 100 class, and you just outline that for you. The bottom line here is that Math 100 includes a tremendous amount of overlap with Math 086 and 092. There is some new material, but for the most part, it's a reiteration of what you've learned in the past. All right, so don't be alarmed if you see your teachers doing things that you've done in 092 and in 086, right? But the past material, they do talk about what the past material is, and you're going to find this to be remarkably similar to the content. Excuse me, I have a little cold. You'll find it remarkably similar to what you're doing in Math 100. Now, there are sample review questions, all right? So I want to point out, when you're looking at these sample review questions, I would recommend you do these questions on your own. There are little videos on the side, though, that you're more than welcome to watch if you want. And what are those videos about? Me doing the problem at the whiteboard. If you need it, watch it. If you don't need it, don't watch it. They're little mini videos, by the way. And each question here is going to have a little mini video next to it. Every single one, all right? Now, of course, you go through that. It isn't really that much to do. I would say that if you're competent in the 086 and 092 material, you should be able to get through these 25 questions rather rapidly. Will you make mistakes doing it? Yeah, probably. Will you improve by doing these problems? Probably as well, right? I think there's about 25, 26, let's find out, 27 problems. And then, of course, you get to this. I will certainly make another video for this. I want to point out over here, you don't see any videos over here, all right? What does that mean? It's homework. You do homework. In the little blue area, though, what I put down, I actually put down work for you, all right? So what I'm going to do is call it quits here, and I'll come back with another video of me doing the homework for you. It'll be a complete video, though, of me doing all the problems in one session. Thank you for paying attention.